everyone. We are going to be traveling again soon. We don't have any set in stone plans yet. We had 3 canceled trips over January and February with just circumstances going on. So we have some things that we just had to kind of redo. So we're kind of slowly getting back into making sure like timing and everything is going to work out. And we don't want to like have everything ready and then have more canceled plans, because it's a lot more headache that way. So we're kind of slowly getting back into it, but in the process of planning on trying to get back out, I went ahead and picked up some stuff for myself, some things that I needed to do like overnight trips and things again. So let me show you the 4 things that I picked up from our local Walmart. Starting with right here, Walmart's plus size is called Terra and Sky, and I have wider hips, so like the plus size ones, even like I have to wear the 0X or they are so big that they're falling off of me. But the plus size ones have wider hips on them than the traditional leggings do, so that's why I end up wearing the plus size ones. But I love this purple print, and I actually recently, after I purchased this, I've already shown the Sam's one because it's taken me a while to get to doing this video, but I actually at Sam's after this found a shirt that matches this purple right here. So it'll work out really great, and I actually have like a midi skirt that I can throw over this to where you can still see the leggings, but like I still have a skirt on if I want to, and I have a shirt that'll match. But I needed some more like longer pants. I have several pairs of capris. We order a capris from Amazon. If you want a video of like things that we order from Amazon for travel, let me know if like you want to see just the Amazon items on a separate video, because I normally don't, because we usually we have stuff come in and out from Amazon so much that it just would seem like a lot to like we would constantly be uploading Amazon content. So, but if you want to see like specifically before our next trip, things that are going on the trip that came from just Amazon, let me know. And I mean, I always have the affiliate links and all that, but I don't want to like overwhelm y'all. But anyway, so like I needed longer ones, and I haven't really found any long, like full to the ankle length ones, which I'm short. So like these are actually a little bit baggier than it shows on here. So, but I needed, like I said, I need longer ones for like the cooler weather ones, and just sometimes at night in hotels I'm a little bit colder, so I like having longer pants to take with us even going into the summer months. Which also I have found that because we live in the South, when we travel up north for summer, there's times at night we're cold. So like it's really hard to explain. When we went to Mackinac Island, we were cold. Like for us, Mackinac Island in August felt like late fall for us. So I was glad that we took hoodies and stuff, and everybody else is like wearing shorts and t-shirts. But yeah, for us being like so used to like southern weather, when we go further north, sometimes in summer we get cold. And I have some trips planned where we might end up further north this year. So like I said, I want to go ahead and prepare for like all the weather elements. And this is also something not just for that one shirt that I can mix and match if I need to. All right, so there's the only clothing one. These are my absolute favorite. So they are longer. They're not the super skinny, super tiny ones. The tiny ones are great for braids and for the kids' hair. Sometimes, like today, I usually just throw a messy bun up, and these are perfect for that. And I don't like the metal ones. And it's not just because of like the metal, and some people say like putting the metal ones on like hurt their fingers and things. It's not that. I have found that the metal ones where they meet right here, they actually are more prone to break than these non-metal ones. So these are actually really hard to find. Dollar Tree no longer carries the larger non-metal elastic ones, which these were more than $1. So that makes sense to me. But specifically, the only place I have found these were Walmart. So we put these on carabiner clips. You've seen those in our toiletry bag videos. I'll link the last toiletry video bag up here. And we put them on carabiner clips. We have them on carabiner clips at home. We have them, you know, in carabiner clip or on carabiner clips in our travel backpacks. So these are things that we take all the time. And with 4 girls plus myself in the house, having tons of hair ties is a must. And these are the last 2 things. They're both the same thing pretty much. And sorry about the shadowing. It's really overcast today. So I only have the natural light in my room right now. So these are basically, they can be whatever you want them to be. When we went to Clingman's Dome, so going back to colder than we expected, it was warm. Like we had the air conditioning on the way home. But while we were at Clingman's Dome, the temperature dropped into the 30s at the top of the mountain, because Clingman's Dome is the highest peak in Smoky Mountains. And none of us had face socks like these right here, the ones like you wear around your neck. You pull it up over your nose whenever your face is cold to protect your face. none of us had those because we had never been in an element where we needed those. But it was cold, it was windy, it's the highest peak in Smoky, so like it was super windy. So since then, we have been trying to get at least 2 per person. Well, all the kids now have some. I was the last one to get some. So I went ahead and picked some out for myself. And again, I'm kind of getting into like this pink and purple that I like wearing pinks and purples. So like it was nice to find something that had a little bit of pink and purple. But I also bought these so that I could have plenty of neutrals. And I love wearing them like this too, like as a headband, like a head scarf, because it'll just keep my hair back on long travel days. So that's it for our super short Walmart haul. Again, I just needed a couple things to pick out to add to what we're planning. So I'll do it. I always say, like, if you want to see another video, because I don't want to just like throw content out there and throw it and expect you all to watch it. If you want to see content, let me know. I usually, when I do the packing videos, explain my process and show all that. So I'll probably save it for that, but like show how I'm trying to get a little more minimalistic. But also when I'm on vacation, I don't want to do laundry while I'm on vacation. So Matt and I are more prone to want to pack extra clothes, but I will try to show you my process of like mixing midi skirts with different leggings and capris and shirts and things so that we can at least try to not wear like a clean midi skirt every day or anything like that. But that's it for today's video. Thank you to all of our members for helping to support this content and to help us to be able to pay for our new camera equipment. And thank you to all of you for subscribing, watching, and supporting me with your positive comments. And we will see you next time.